Hey everyone! So today is the day after Black Friday. Just woke up. I was really excited to make this video. And I bought myself a little toy. So I bought the iPad Pro. There's many reasons why I bought it. I'm a Windows person. I am not an Apple person. But I swallowed my pride anyway. And I bought one. And I wanted to bring you guys a review from an artist's perspective and a Windows person perspective. So I'm just trying to figure out where's the best place to do this in my room right now, and I'll get back to you in a second. I think this will do. I don't have the best place for this. Okay, well, we're gonna do what we can, right? So clearly I've been playing with it. There's fingerprints all over it. It's pretty gross. The volume buttons are right there on the top right hand side. Headphone jack was my guess. I don't have one, so I'm gonna find that out. I might get the ear pad, what are they called? The ear pods. And then you charge right here. By the way, the speakers on this thing are really good. I believe that, yeah, they're on both sides here. So you can see them right there. Ew, sorry. See, it happened so quickly. It basically sounds like a mini surround sound system. It's very loud. It sounds really great. So if you're looking to put music on here, I definitely suggest it. It sounds amazing. Let me show you the box first, actually. So this is the box it came in. It's just a photo of the iPad itself. And, oops, it's upside down, sorry. So I got the 64 gigabyte 10.5 inch with just Wi-Fi. I figured I'd have my phone if I ever want to use internet away from somewhere that doesn't have Wi-Fi. So I also decided to get the iPad Pro Pencil, which is mainly the only reason why I bought this thing, because I want to draw on the go. Here's the box that the iPad came in. And this is where the little charger came in, and the wire. This charger is so big. Well, it's not big, it's like a heavy block, right? And then this comes off. I don't really know why. And, well, so you can close it shut, obviously. But this little piece comes off too. I have no clue why, but if you guys know, go ahead and put it in the comments below. No clue. But you just basically plug this little guy, little lightning cable. My camera doesn't want to focus today. Come on. There you go. Into here. Sorry, I lied. Into here. And then you plug the USB into here and you plug it into the wall. Okay, so that's one thing. So here's the pen as well, super sleek, super smooth. It's a little indent, right? Come on. Right there, you can see how it looks. And how comfy my pillow looks in the background. So for charging the pen, you actually pull this off. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. No? There we go. So you use that to charge. What you can do, wasn't prepared, pulling up the little piece. Hold on a second. Don't be impatient. So you're basically going to plug the pen into one of these sides. One is smaller than the other, so make sure you put it in the right one. Or line. I think they're both. No. Hold on. Yeah, you snap this one in. Just like this. And then you take the wire. I'm doing this with one hand, guys. Sorry. And you plug it in here. You can charge it this way. What I heard of the second way is a lot faster. You plug it into the side of the iPad like this. It's absolutely stupid. It just sticks out. So basically this is the one thing everybody complains about, because if you accidentally hit it, you're gonna snap it. But it is faster. But if you're afraid something's gonna happen to it, then go ahead and charge it with the wire. So then you can just pull it out and snap the top back on, just like that. It is a little bit wobbly, so be careful not to lose it. Okay, so that's basically it for that. The iPad itself is obviously super smooth. I've never had any sort of Apple anything, so it's kind of nice to have that design aspect of it because it's so light, super thin, and just smooth. The only thing that I'm worried about, because it is the same on the pen, is that eventually this pen might, wait, it's so smooth it'll slide out of your hands. I might lose it. There's no way, excuse me, there's no way to like attach it to the iPad itself, which I don't like either. I don't think they really thought about how to design this pen properly in a way that it works well with the iPad in terms of keeping them together or charging them, and yeah, so it's alright. I just have to make sure I don't lose it and it doesn't slide out of my hand. I mean, so far it's been pretty good, but I'm thinking of putting just like a pen grip on it, like one of those little rubber pen grips. That way it's a little easier to handle, just in case. But yeah, it's, as far as opening the box and checking it out, it is a pretty cool product. I did want to add, obviously, as you saw earlier, it does get very messy. So if you could find out a way to like have like a little rag with you or something to keep it clean, it's probably the best, because it just like takes on your fingerprints like no tomorrow. So definitely that, and then I'm going to be getting a case for it soon. Obviously, I'm afraid of breaking it, but at the same time, it's so thin that sometimes it's actually a little hard to hold because it kind of slides out of your hand. But it is very comfortable, and it's not to say that that would deter me from buying it. It's definitely a great thing when putting it in my bag and bringing it out because it's so light and thin. Easy to take around, but trying to hold it and draw at the same time, you just have to kind of maneuver and figure out what's the best way, unless you're drawing on a table, which is probably the best way to do it. Or I found sitting on the couch with my knees up and kind of laying it on my knees or on the side of on my thighs works as well, but it does kind of slide down and you have to play around with it, but it's not like a terrible thing. So yeah. So I'm going to make another video about the actual software and being new to iOS and trying to figure out how to set this thing up. It was generally pretty easy, but I did hit some snags, so stay tuned, hit the subscribe button. Please, I would love for you guys to be part of my family. And whoa, look at all the crazy hair. Yeah, I'm just going to continue on with this review. I just thought that it would be easier to cut it into 2 videos for you guys. So I'll see you in a bit. Come watch the video. Bye.